everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I'm just going to be doing a brief video and have a little story about Stitch Fix. So I was on Stitch Fix Freestyle and I've gotten Beyond Yoga leggings numerous times in my boxes, but they keep sending me the 7th, 8th leggings, and they're just, honestly, they're too long for me. They're just bunched around my knees and I really need capri leggings. And I keep looking for capri leggings on my phone, in the Freestyle area, and they never show up. And I just kind of thought, how bizarre that they have 7th, 8th, they have regular, but they don't have capri. So I decided to go to Google search, and I typed in Beyond Yoga capri leggings Stitch Fix. And then up in the Google search showed up capri leggings from Stitch Fix for Beyond Yoga. So I went, clicked on the link, went there right to the Freestyle app on my phone, and there they were. But they aren't presented to me when I go to the Beyond Yoga as the brand. So apparently there's something in the algorithm that is stripping that out. I'm beyond frustrated because I thought when they show us in the Freestyle app and they show us, here's your brand, I figured here's in your brand and your sizes, but that is not their complete inventory. So I actually emailed Stitch Fix customer service and I said, you know what, your algorithm sucks. I said, I found them when I went on, Google, but they weren't showing up in the app. And I think that's insane because I'm a shorty. They know I'm 5'2". Why aren't they showing me short pants? So their response was, I'm sorry, and we'll take note of it, and we'll ask for a search feature in the future for Stitch Fix Freestyle. So yeah, to me that is just beyond crazy that you still cannot see their full inventory. So when you're looking in Freestyle, don't think that's their full inventory, all right? So what I would recommend you do is if there's anything you want, if you see it in another YouTuber and it doesn't show up, do a Google search, it might show up there. And then you can at least save it to your list even if they don't have your size, and then you can then see when it pops up in inventory again. Frustrates me beyond a doubt. I'm not sure why. So basically, I'm going to just show you. I got 2 pairs of leggings. I got a pair in navy blue, and I got a pair in black. But I'm going to tell you, they're both heather. They're not pure black or pure navy. The black almost appears like a kind of a charcoal gray, and the navy is mixed with black. I decided I'm a cuckoo bird and really didn't need these, especially both of them, but I will keep 1 pair. So here's the navy blue pair. I am not going to try these on for you. I decided to send them back just because of budgetary reasons. I really don't need them, and I'm in the midst of buying a ton of stuff for my daughter for college, so I do need to scale things back. I really have to stick to what I absolutely love or really want. But I will keep these black ones because they really fit nice, or I should say like charcoal gray. And I'll show them to you so you can get an idea. So give me a second and I'll reposition the camera. Okay, now I just published a Stitch Fix video where I tried on a pair of Girlfriend Collective leggings. And these are softer and less slick than those are. Those are very thin and very slippery, whereas these are soft, like buttery soft, and not as thin as those were. And those were really less stretchy and harder to get over my hips. These are more stretchy. The Girlfriend Collective were also kind of like tight around my calves, and while these are tight, they're very stretchy and comfortable. So I'm going to keep these. These are a keeper. They have no pockets in them. I don't even feel a pocket up top. They do have this nice wide waistband that sucks you in. And I'll come closer so you can see they're almost like a charcoal gray. They're considered black, but they do have like, two tones of black mixed in. So it's more like a charcoal gray. And let me show you where they hit on me. All right, so these are capri length, and you can see they're really an ankle legging, probably what is most people consider a 7/8. So this is the length that I prefer. I prefer my leggings not to go full length, and you see because they're shorter and capri length, capri for me is again pretty much full length. They don't bunch around the knees, which is very important for me when I run. So I don't like the feeling of things are bunched up around my knees. So yeah, these are a keeper. I'm going to keep these. And just a PSA, anytime you're like, gosh, I wish Stitch Fix carried this item. Maybe you see it in Wantable, maybe you see it in a trunk club, and maybe you're hoping to get it in Stitch Fix because you maybe have some credits or 5 to 5, whatever, you know, Google it first. Don't think they don't have it, right? Google it, right? And then you can actually save it. And maybe it will show up in your inventory. Maybe it will show up in the warehouse that your stylist has to pick from. I don't know. But don't believe everything that they're showing you is their full inventory. So that's my PSA. Like I said, I was quite annoyed that I don't know why the algorithm isn't showing me capri when I'm so short, but it was not. They had plenty. They had numerous colors, every size in capri leggings for Beyond Yoga. I don't know why it does not show up in my, page. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do shopping hauls, try-ons. Get me to 1,000. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and take care. And until next time.